So alright my people, welcome back. Alright, so you know me go do that step here in the morning, yeah. So we do that step here. We use some waterproofing board pan it. Yeah. It's the same thing we use in the bathroom. Yeah, so the reason why we do this, it was board. So you know the things that can hold on the board. Yeah. I'm gonna check out my new channel T Slowly. Yeah. Over there so now we're going a little bit of everything, you know. So check out the channel, up and running. Yeah, big things are going on over there. So you can check it out. Just type in T Slowly, you get the channel up and running. Yeah. So go over there, like, share and subscribe, you know, and share the video. You know, I'm like supporters them, you know, big up on yourself every time. Yeah, so as I say, I go do that step here, so I board upon it. So we use a blackboard upon it. So we kind of get it kick off still. Yeah, so this is how him look like. Put on 2 thread already. Yeah, so see now my people. So you know I come down the line with it. Yeah, so as I say, step up and running. So you know I have trim to cut out and everything. So you know I'll cut some trim and out with this. So everything cut out already. All the land in the riser, everything cut out. So yeah, I have them lean up there so. There so. I have them couple pieces of same way. So everything cut out as I say one size. Yeah, so them cut out them underneath it drop in. And that we have work on right now. You know, so yeah. So this is the start when I get. So I'm gonna take time come down the line. Yeah, so them some plank tile where I use pan it still no far. Just one piece, no joint in it. So have the length and everything, so you know I go see no joint in this. Just a cut down the line. Yeah, so as I say my people, check out my new channel, T Slowly, up and running. Yeah. Alright, so we're there right now, I'm gonna put on the trim. Yeah, so we take time and go on with this step. Yeah, so that's the trim. So I'll get the riser up and running and I'll drop on the riser there. So as I said, take time and go on. So as I say, I have everything cut out. So I'm just a drop on right now. so we are drop on and come down the line same way. Alright, this is my template I'm going to work with. So what we do with this is a kind of soundproofing thing we do on the step here. But we cushion underneath the board. But at the black board I always see me I put it inside from. So we have a cushion underneath. So it kind of soundproof it. So when you walk on it, it's silent, you don't really hear nothing.
Pressure washing into none.
Alright, so trim. These are the trim. So this is what we do with this, you know. Put on the light, this squeeze up the tin set, make the tin set come up in and stuff. So you know, the tin set well band. Yeah. So I'm going to say the tin set well band to this. So catch the riser here now. So me use this our template. nice one. Yes, my people, so step a go on. Yeah, you know, so we can't go up and if you go up on the line, they show no what go on up there. But, see there? Yeah, so we take time and come down the line. Yeah, so this is how we look like, you know. Yeah, so as I said, what I'm going to come in, I'm going to cut out everything, you know. So we're upon the laying process, you know. Yeah, just come in and cut out. Yeah, and start lay some tile. So yes, my people, so this is upon, this way I'm going with an idea. Yeah, so, you know, that one hotel with it, so 2 bedroom upstairs. Yeah, we can't go on like a piece. I don't know, so they live in the area. You know, you just come in, book in. Yeah. You have your own kitchen, you can cook your food. Yeah. But you know, a slow season, you know, so them time of the year, no guests not really in. You know, so most of the hotel them, like, if they want to do a renovation at them time, and then do it. You know, so, yeah. So we have a couple steps. A few stairs we have to do. Most of them done already still. Yeah. About 10 of them. Yeah. But most of them done. Then just not grow up. But we depend them from other day, you know, knock them out. So we're gonna have one more left to do right, you know. Yeah, so that's how we stay here, so. Alright, my peeps, so this step done, you know. Yeah, so. Right, that's how you see us, so now. One reel, I go back there. You know, so. It's going to end up all the way. Where's the mark? Yeah, so one reel, I go end up back up there, so. So this step done right, you know. So this is how it look. Can't go upon it because it's wet. Yeah, so zoom him up a bit. Yeah, so as I said, finish now. Wet still, so I can't go up there. You know, I don't like to show the from up there, so come right back down, but show it kind of wet. So. Yes, my people, so as I say, aim that now. Nice plank tile. Yeah, so just some growth if you drop on it now. You know, everything finished. You know, look nice and sweet. Yeah, so all the way up the top there. Yeah, so it's on. Yeah, you know, say how the growth in leave, you know, so once we get it growth up and running, you know, yeah, so we can show you from the top there what it look like coming down. Yeah. So alright my people, so right I know there is some growth in on the step. Yeah, the growth in time and also see if we can get this run out. Yeah. So you know, so once the step growth up nice and sweet, you know, clean up and everything. Yeah, so as I say, I'll get some growth in done on it. So cheese are going to run the growth in the idea, yeah? Yeah, so we can cover a step. Yeah, right down the ground. Yeah, so as I say, some growth in the ground. Yeah, so if we get it growth up one thing. Yeah, right up there. Yeah, so as I say, the growth in time, you know. Showing it stay after I clean up and everything. Wipe off. Yeah, right down the ground. So as I say, some rail I go up on there, so this I go flex out back and knock down. So you're not even going to know say a board did when they finish. So alright my people, so step down and grow it up you know. Yeah, so as you can see, everything nice and sweet. Yeah, so as I say, it growth up. Yeah, so this side looking good so far. Yes, so as I say, what am I going to do with this now? A rail I go up on it. Yeah, so them I go flex out back this compound out the back. You know, make everything look like one. Yeah, so you're not even going to realize a piece of board in there. Yeah. So as I say, we done growth up you know. Yeah, we're looking good so far. Yeah, up and running. Yeah, so this yeah, looking good so far. Nice and clean. Yes, my people, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Please make me tell me what you think about the job. You know? Yeah. So as I say, we brought up on everything. You know, step finish, you know.